Welcome back to another episode of Film by Frame. In this episode, we are going to discuss on Marathi film The Disciple. Before get into a review, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Film has won many awards in various international film festivals. Written and directed by Chaitanya Tamhane. Starring Aditya Modak, Arun Dravid, Sumitra Bhave, Deepika Bhide Bhagwat and Kiran Yadnopavit. Director of Harry Potter 3, Children of Men, Gravity and Roma, 5 times Oscar winner Alfonso Cuarón backed the film as an executive producer. The title of the movie itself tells us everything about the movie. Disciple means follower, believer, student, etc. The film moves around the life of Sharad Nirulkar, who has devoted his life to Sikh Indian classical music and his loyalty towards the art and his master. Screenplay is written by the director himself. He manifested the 3 stages of character's life. 1. When he is at learning stage. 2. When the character becomes the master. And the 3rd, after his marriage. There is also some part of the character's childhood in the middle. It uncovers today's reality that how art is now becomes a business, how the world is accepting the ordinary talent, and because of this, how the pure artists are being covered under the mediocrity and the art is losing its divinity. The character Sharad Nirulkar observes this problem of the society and feels desperate and depressed. He loses his focus and confidence and starts doubting on his abilities. At a single point, the film doesn't lose its subject. The writer didn't build any unnecessary, illogical scenes to forcefully entertain the audience. The scenes and the dialogues are being built in a very realistic manner. Writer arranged this plot in a very unique and creative way. It is said that Chaitanya Tamhane took 22 months to write a single page of the film and its worth. The film has won Best Screenplay Award in Venice International Film Festival. If you see it with a normal point of view, you will find it very ordinary or you will see nothing in the storyline. But this film is like silent water. When you dive in that, you will experience the depth of it. The direction is so realistic. All the act and the conversation feels real, like it's happening in front of us. It was nominated for Silver Lion in directional category along with 2021 Oscar winner Nomadland. The camera is used as our eye. It is still, simple and stable. The motion of the camera is used to connect us with the character and its flow is like a tune of tambura instrument. Whenever the character is desperately riding on the road, the camera is at low like the character's emotion. The film is graded beautifully. The tone is matching with the set. It's a period film and we can say that it's the best graded period film in India. The cinematography is done by Michael Subosinski. Film is intentionally edited in a very simple way with very few cuts during the act. The reason was not to interrupt between the drama. Each and everything has a symbolic view in this film. You have to see it with a very different perspective. The film reveals the reality of the society and how art is now being corrupted. If we take an example in India, Honorary Academy Award winning filmmaker Bharat Ratna Satyajit Ray, who maintained spiritual purity in his art, lived in a rental house till his last breath. Our perception is now becomes very wrong by watching the over-exaggerated Bollywood dramas. After a huge period, someone is making something meaningful, realistic and artistic, globally acclaimed drama in our country. We must need to appreciate it. If a 5 times Oscar winner is backing it, then it must has something. People who are unable to understand something very extraordinary easily says that it's not good or boring. But they never agreed that the problem is with them that not having the ability and patience to grasp it. Exactly, the film says that. Art is very different medium. It cannot be explained in words. You must need to experience and understand it by experiencing it. We request you to try to watch this film with a different vision. Many artists can easily relate this film. The film is available on Netflix. If you don't get it, then please don't insult such a great piece of art. Hope you will get it what we are trying to tell you. Be safe and be healthy. Also let us know on which film would you like us to review and analyze. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also a gentle reminder to subscribe our channel.